Absolutely. One of the great things about following the Oregon Trail is it's right there on the highway that you're taking or the interstate you're taking already. And the Oregon Trail isn't the only one. Many of the trails, such as the California Trail, highways were built alongside or even over that trail. And so one thing we love to do as road trippers is we follow the National Historic Trails, which are a segment of the National Park Service. And we love following the Oregon National Historic Trail, the Pony Express Trail, the California Trail, the Applegate Trail is part of that. But there are so many others, and it's a real neat way to be able to really learn something new and experience something exciting as you're going to whatever destination you're going to. So in this case, we were on our way to Idaho, and we stopped by these trail ruts, and we look forward to seeing some more. So I would encourage you to check that out. Oregon National Historic Trail and the National Historic Trail System, definitely worth your while as you road trip with your family.